Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you for stopping by to check out my new video today. And as you can see, I'm going to be talking about the Instant Cash Solution Program. And if you've been looking for an exciting business opportunity, a business opportunity where you can begin to generate immediate income, and that's income, that's monies paid directly to you through your PayPal account, then this is an exciting program that you should know about, and that even you should get started with so that you can start making some money. Okay, it is a simple copy and paste program, and you get pre-written ads, but there's a lot more to this program than that. But think about this, being able to generate money by just spending about 30 minutes per day. Okay, and so we want to help you to get started. And so in this video, I want to share with you products and pricing. And so we're going to go there right now, and we're going to talk about how much this costs and what you're going to get with your money. Okay, so let's do this. Let me pull this so that we can see everything together here. Okay, and I'll get myself out of the way here. All right, now as you can see, there are 3 packages. Now I believe someone told me, I talked to somebody on the phone here recently, and I missed the webinar last week because I had an engagement I had to go to. But there was some mention, okay, I believe that they're going to be adding some other packages. But I would encourage you, look, if you're really looking at this program, you're thinking about it, get started now. Yeah, there's no time, like the present. And people are really leaving money on the table because you want to get started so you can begin to start making that immediate cash flow. Okay, as you can see, there are 3 packages, and they've got 1 here, which is the gold package, 2 and 3. I'm going to start and go from left to right, okay, and look at each package so that you'll be able to see what you'll be getting with let's start at the bronze package. That's the $100 level, okay, and there's a one-time $29 admin fee. Okay, on the silver package, it's $200 one time, okay, plus a $29 admin fee. And at the gold level, $300 one time and a one-time $29 admin fee. Okay, so let's look at what you get with the $100 level. And what I tell people is this, come in at the level where you're comfortable. If you can come in at a higher level, then that will be beneficial to you. But you can come in and get started and then upgrade at another time. Okay, so all of that is available to you. Okay, so at the bronze level, the $100 package, you're going to get pre-written ads, and that's the same ads that we use every single day. Okay, there's classified ad headlines, and look, that's amazing because this stuff you don't even have to think about. It's already done for you. I love that. Email swipes, and you'll get a classified advertising training course. Okay, you get the ICS marketing system, and that's with capture pages and autoresponder emails, a built-in autoresponder system. And so if you don't have an autoresponder, then you can use the autoresponder system, and the system within the program will send out messages on your behalf. And then eventually you will want to get your own autoresponder and capture those leads for yourself. But if you don't have it right now, guess what? You can get started without it, and then I can help you somewhere down the line if you want to get an autoresponder, and I'll show you what I'm using. Okay, now you have your ICS members area, and you've got amazing training and marketing resources that come with that training. I mean, this is incredible. Okay, you'll get the personal ICS website, that's hosting included, and you get the ICS quick start action plan, all of that in the $100 bronze package. Now, in the $200 silver package, okay, you're going to get everything in the bronze, okay, plus you're going to get Facebook image ads ready to go for Facebook ad campaigns. All right, 24/7 ICS sizzle call information, how all of that works, instant cash solution, okay, ICS banner ads, pre-written ICS SMS text messages, resale rights to both silver and bronze memberships. Okay, now for the $300 gold package, this is the level that I came in at, but again, you come in where you're comfortable. Okay, you get everything that's included with the silver membership, plus you're going to get Facebook marketing training, Craigslist training, ICS training, video library with excellent online marketing training videos, on demand 24/7 instant cash solutions webinar that explains and sells this amazing program. Okay, extensive ebook library, resale rights to all instant cash solution memberships, bronze, silver, and gold. Okay, so how does this work now? Okay, for an example, let's say that you came in at the $300 level. All right, and if you came in at the $300 level, you'll be able to make money, okay, on this level, on the silver and the bronze. So if you were a gold and somebody came in at the $200 level, then guess what? You would get $200 paid direct to your PayPal account. If you were a silver, if you came in at the silver level, then you're able to make money on the silver level and on the bronze level. Okay, so if you're silver, somebody comes in at the bronze that you brought in, then you would get paid $100 direct to your PayPal account. Now, if you are a bronze, okay, then the only package that you can get paid on is the bronze level. So if you're bronze, you sell a bronze, you're gonna make $100 on that level, and that's how that works. Keep in mind that all of these payments are going to be coming direct to you, to your PayPal account. Okay, so what I love about this is that you can start building yourself where you can be getting paid daily. Every day you can make money with this system. The system is a done for you business in a box, ready to go, okay, for you to begin to start making money today. And I say this, that if you are serious about making some money, this is a great program to do that with. Okay, I think I said everything I wanted to say in this video, and now I want to invite you to grab the link in the description area of this video, access the information, get started today, come in ready to spend at least 30 minutes per day. All right, you can do this, and you can begin to make some money. 30 minutes a day, that's all it's going to take you to start generating some income with this program. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.